So this is a tangle called Blight. This is what mine looked like when I put my own spin on the end of it. And we begin with lines going in one direction and then the opposite direction. Now I begin each tangle with gratitude, finding things that I'm grateful for, letting go of all the junk. I put a pencil dot in each of the four corners and create a pencil border. Now, in this little corner, all I did was kind of put a little rainbow and then I filled it in. If you want to leave the little shine spot, you'll just leave a little orb shape and let the white of the paper come through. And I'm going to do this in the same corner of each of these little boxes that were created. Now the music you hear in the background is the plant wave. I am playing the energy sounds of my plant, and there'll be a link in the description to the plant wave for more information. Now make sure you're not holding your breath, biting the inside of the cheek, clenching the jaw, all those things that we tend to do for some reason when we draw. Now we're going to breathe, and very slowly we're going to, this is called auraing. We're auraing that original little dark spot in the corner. Now with some of these you can see that I'm actually having a little bit of a disconnect between the auraed lines. And I do that a few in a row, and it creates its own little shine spot. And you'll see that more maybe at the end, and you can see it now if you look down. It just looks like there's these little spaces that look a little shiny. Make sure that you're still breathing, light with the pen and the pressure. Make sure you're not biting the inside of the cheek, clenching the jaw or toes. Take the tongue off the roof of your mouth, because for me this is meditation. This is about letting our mind relax, which is why we're repetitively drawing the same thing over and over again. Now, some of my videos, I don't show you how I get to the exact point of what mine look like in the end, which you'll see here in a second. And the reason is the whole point of the Zentangle method is I, as a certified Zentangle teacher, teach you the basics. And then your job is to make it your own. What makes you happy? What do you want to add to it? Maybe you want to add different tangles. Maybe you want to add color. This is what I did to mine. But I really want people to take what they see at the beginning, feel comfortable with the repetition of the basics of the tangle, which is how the Zentangle method was created, and then make it your own. And that's what I encourage you to do here. Make it your own. So don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Follow along. Let me know in the comments what you like, and if you've gone outside the lines. I'd love to know that. And remember, it's about the journey to the end of the tangle. The tangle is a bonus at the end. Have a great day, everyone.